We're back doing another hobby shop tour. Let's head inside and see what they've got. We're here at Echelon Hobbies in Brighton, Ontario, Canada. Let's get through these doors, and I'm going to show you all the great stuff they have. When you first walk in the store, this is where you can find all their new models for the month. And by the looks of it, it's a whole lot of planes and helicopters. And if you have anyone new to the modeling, they've got a ton of great little snap kits here to get them started. And then back over here on the back wall, you can find all the rest of their put together model plastic kits. They've got kits from everyone, Tamiya, you name it. They've got lots of looks like Japanese models. I'm not into that stuff, but maybe you are. And if you are, you'll find a ton of great examples here. Then back here, they've got huge models on the top, tons of planes, tanks, trucks, and of course, a ton of great classic models, cars and trucks, everything you could ever want. Looking for a specific model? Head on into the store if you don't see it on the shelf here in the video, and I bet you they can help you out. And in the display case in the corner, they've got a ton of great models on display. They're stocked up with all sorts of great batteries, so if you need some, head on in. They'll have what you're looking for. Maybe role-playing games are your thing? Well, they've got a fully stocked supply of Dungeons and Dragons here, and a bunch of other games as well. They've got figurines and paints, everything you could ever need for your game. Maybe you need some landscaping for that display you're doing for your model trains? Well, they've got you covered there as well. Want to build a miniature replica gun? Well, head on in and grab one of their goat guns. They've got a full display, and man, they look fun. I think we might have to grab one of those for the channel. And now to their RC section. They've got a bunch of vintage or re-released Kyosho RCs and some newer ones, of course. Slot cars, they've got those as well. And down on the bottom, lots of boats. And of course, all the Traxxas cars you could ever want. Don't see the Traxxas or Kyosho you're looking for? Head on into the store or find them on Facebook or online. They can order anything for you. And of course, a full line of their Mini Z cars from Kyosho. The Traxxas Slash, and of course the Mini Max, the Rustler down below. Need a Wave Runner? They've got it. They've got a full line of put together wooden model kits, everything from buildings to flowers, and a whole bunch of miniature stuff. And back here, they've even got some dinosaurs for the little ones. And if flowers are your thing, come grab some wooden ones to put together. Looking for paint for those models you just bought? or maybe you want to do a one-off RC body, well, they've got you covered. Want to add some resin to that diorama you're doing? They can definitely help you out. And a full line of Tamiya spray paints, or at least what we can get in Canada now. They've got just about every color under the rainbow in paint, all your accessories and brushes that you could need, and so much more. So before we end this video off, we just want to give another huge thank you to Echelon Hobbies in Brighton, Ontario for jumping on board to the channel and for giving us first dibs of that new Traxxas Mini XRT. So if you're in the area, make sure you head on over, visit them. They've got everything you could ever want in the hobby land. And if they don't, they could probably get it for you. So if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell so that way you get all the new videos. And we'll see you again soon.